Development. You tell me, if you want to build a house, you want to reconstruct a toilet, will you come to CCP or not? We will take the license or not? Has anything come? Any plan has come to the corporation saying that this is Amrut, we are going to do for Panjim? Nothing has come.
How much money under Amrut has come?
I don't know anything. We are in the dark.
So now whichever projects are going on without your approval, you all are going to stop.
We have asked the commissioner to stop.
I mean, resolution
We have taken a resolution 17.
17 offers.
Means that resolution was passed.
Yes. We are not against development. But don't do piecemeal in only certain.
So what about the Azad Maidan work?
Police complaint कर रहे हैं.
We will file a police complaint
Police
also.
complaint.
Because how could, see, the BSM had paid some 5,000 rupees for the, which date?
BSF, 13 November.
For 13 November to have their meeting. This government must have got cold feet and inaugurated and demolished that thing.
No permissions granted.
No permission granted for development work. It is my property.
Everything they are bypassing the mayor.
Now they are asking.
And why, if the commissioner is saying that during Shubham time they have passed, then why they have come now for permission?
This is for the next year, they claim.
No. This is what, madam. You are listening to what they are saying?
No, we are not.
We are asking you.
See, to accord approval for beautification and upgradation of Azad Maidan Square. It has come now for today's meeting. If the commissioner, I don't blame commissioner, he is a government officer. He is scared that he might be transferred, he might be harassed. So he has to toe that line of the government. I am not a government servant. My 17 corporators can speak openly. We are not scared of anybody. Reliance, what did they do? Does it take 4 months to send a letter to Reliance to say that to pay the 1.20 crores? They are asking the money for us, or we are asking the money for the corporation? 7 months I was not speaking to the media because I wanted to be a good boy this time. And everybody was surprised. What you rightly said was correct. I was a tiger, I become a, what is it?
House cat.
Mouse.
House cat.
House cat. But no more. Because what happened is, you have to give a long rope. When they don't understand your language, you have to just pull the rope for the neck.
So just now you said you are going to wait for the 3 months. After is the Babush contesting from Panjim?
Because he's contesting, I said, no, we are all 17 of us will go house to house. We'll get him elected. Any doubt?
Okay.
I had 5,000 votes. I'll transfer those 5,000 votes to him.
Babush is
Any doubt?
No, I don't have any doubt.
Then he will contest.
He spoke to you.
He spoke to me, he spoke to the media also 10 times.
No, every time he spoke to media,
Yeah.
but never he contested.
He will contest this time.
From Panjim question.
Yes.
Okay.
His party. United Congress.
United Congress Party.
Mr. Rahul Lodlekar, corporator, is the general secretary and spokesperson. Now you see, as days come, what happened. We are not against development. Development has to be done in all 30 wards. In my ward, GSIDC was supposed to put pavers. Ask GSIDC why they have stopped putting pavers in my ward. For last 5 years, resolution was passed by CCP. In Ward 9, in 2 places because it was getting flooded. The MLA came, broke the coconut, asked him whether he has finished the job. I pleaded with him so many times. I've got record on my SMSs. But I, as a mayor, have never differentiated with the opposition. Whenever they have asked anything, I have given. Whenever they want something to be passed, I have done it.
So now what about ropeway project? That also stopped.
Ropeway project also nothing has come to us.
So stop.
We have told the commissioner to go and demolish that thing.
Now this thing, only soil testing is going on.
Are Baba, you are a senior journalist.
No, they are
Even for
senior.
soil testing, you don't take a permission? You can enter into my property? Huh? Can? You want to put a toilet? Can you? There's some fellow there in Gilman's thing asking for toilet for last 60 years. Zada the toilet hai na? So he the owner not giving permission. You know about the case what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
So what about the towers, illegal towers?
See, there are illegal towers which have come, and today it has come to us for giving permission. Because in the last meeting we had said anybody putting towers should come to the corporation. And we have decided that the owner should pay 2 lakh fine and the company should pay 5 lakhs. Only when this thing come and when we come to know this money has come, we will decide.
Are you people allotting a certain period of time for them to come to CCB and regularize their
To
towers?
see, we have instructed the commissioner to direct the municipal engineer. It is the duty of the municipal engineer to report to us by the next meeting.
No, suppose.
I want to break this nexus of corruption.
Suppose if you find if somebody has installed illegal towers.
Boss, we have taken a resolution here.
Yeah, 2 lakh rupees. I know.
It is here.
But we have allotted certain period of time for them to regularize.
If any tower is installed without the permission of the CCP, a fine of 2 lakhs should be imposed on the owner, while company should be fined rupees 5 lakhs. This proposal was unanimously approved.